Hello and welcome to this Puppy Training Made Easy course, where I'll show you how to get it right from the start so that you get a happy, fun-loving and well-behaved puppy and dog. Now, my name is Sharon Bolt. I'm the founder of Good Dogs. I'm a dog behaviour expert who's been featured in over 35 different newspapers, magazines, radio and TV stations, and I have a regular slot on BBC Radio Sussex and Surrey where I give advice to the numerous listeners' doggy dilemmas. This Puppy Training Made Easy course is for people who are looking to get a puppy or have recently got a puppy. Now, during the course you will learn exactly what to look for when selecting the right puppy for you, how to avoid getting a puppy farmed puppy, and what to look for when selecting a good breeder instead. You'll also discover what to do and what to get before bringing your puppy home, how to introduce your puppy to an existing dog, naturally if you have one, and how to resolve first night crying and howling. Because my goal for you is for you to have a well-behaved puppy as soon as possible, I'll show you step by step how to toilet train your puppy and the best ways in order to stop your puppy from biting and chewing your best items. You'll also discover why it's so important for you to socialise your puppy as soon as possible in order for you to get a well-developed and well-balanced dog. You'll also learn how to prevent separation anxiety from developing, also how to have a happy puppy when travelling in the car, and the best way to crate train your puppy. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge, confidence and methods that you need in order to train your puppy the easy way, so that your puppy grows into a dog that is a pleasure to be with. In a nutshell, this course is for you if you would like the knowledge of what to look for when selecting the right puppy for you. It's also for you if you would like the methods that's required in order to get your puppy to toilet quickly in the places that you want, plus how to get your puppy to stop biting and chewing the wrong items and to give them the right items to chew and bite instead. This course is also for you if you would like to have a dog that is a pleasure to take out and one that is content when left alone. So thank you so much for your interest in this course. If you're ready to learn more and sign up, then please just click on the enroll button. I hope you're as excited as I am because I can't wait to share these methods with you. So enroll in this course now and I look forward to seeing you in the course.